again. Matt, get back, get back, they're getting baited. Sniper! There's a sniper, Matt.
How far back?
All the way back. He is very focused on me. There's one.
Did you?
There's another one. Here he comes now!
Wait!
Wait.
Another one, Nate. Get ready, another one. He was just... he like stunned himself. Look at him. He's trying to shoot. You see some... No, Nate! What the hell?
Oh! I'm behind 3 of them.
I'm with you. Look at him just sitting there.
Oh my gosh! Matt, maybe behind you. Matt, behind you, shielder. I threw it, sorry.
Oh!
Dude.
What just happened? Did like the shield die?
It's not like I can get down there.
Nate, he's right there!
Until win it.
Friendly UAV online.
Nope, that's a good guy. Dang it!
Friendly UAV online.
Where did he go?
Wait, what? Thoomp, thoomp?
On your 6.
Okay.
The first guy that came in, Nate, I hit him off out the window onto top of that, like, I don't know, art installation out there. Sounds like it sounds like you're talking into a sock. Wait. Oh, Nate! All right, Nate. Let's regroup it.
Tell me when you see them coming.
Okay.
Friendly UAV on station.
Now! That's one. Another one. Now.
Final minute.
No, he stuck me!
Oh, okay. That's a huge old Zian. Dang it! What timing was that? Like, did you? Okay. I'll just play this game by myself. Don't.
I'm with you. Would you?
Taking the lead.
Nate, did you see it?
Raptor! Oh my gosh.
What? He like went in an orbit.
Oh, get him! Yeah! Matt, another one right here. No, Matt, get the other one!
Dude, I hope you gotta watch this kill cam. See, no, he just heard it.
I'm baiting for you, Matt.
Nate, pincer
Matt, out
wrapped-
here. You see him?
Go, 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 go.
Dude, off the side. Off the
Get
side.
up, get up, get up. Do it, just do it.
Matt! No, get the... Dude,
Guys.
Wait.
I am so...
No one here.
Go check again. Quick, quick.